Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level. Nobody can find a number 29. Amazing! This one is the right odd one. Can you find the odd emoji within time? This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Find the odd letter BP. Good job. This one is the odd letter. Identify the different number 25. Good job. You identify the right number. Puzzle master can find the odd letter. Amazing, you are a puzzle master. Anybody can find the odd emoji. Good job, this one is the odd emoji. Difficult to find the number 26. This one is difficult, but you find it. Can you find the unique letter within time? That's one, the unique letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 58 plus 62 minus 74 divide by 2. That one is the right answer. Focus master can find the odd number. Good job, you are a focus master. Easy level done, medium level start. You faster than a computer, find the odd emoji. That's one, the odd emoji. Can you find the odd number 522? Great job, you find it within given time. Can you find the letter T or P? Great job, this one is the odd letter. Impossible to find the odd number. Great job, this one impossible, but you find it. Genius will find the odd emoji. Great, you picked the right emoji. One letter is different. Can you find it? Great job. This one is the different letter. Can you find the odd number within time? That's one, the odd number. Which one is the real time? Can you find it? The right answer, give me in the comment box. Can you find the odd letter NYN? You find the correct letter. Genius can find the number 101. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. Nobody can find the odd emoji. That's one, the odd clock emoji. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? That's one is the unique number. Eyes test. Find the odd number. Anybody can find the letter YTO. Can you pick the odd one number within time? Two exciting level done, hard level start. Can you find the odd emoji within given time? Yes, this one is the odd emoji. Are you smart? Find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Can you find the odd letter within time? That one is the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Can you see it, the odd letter? %99 failed to find the odd emoji. Test your brain IQ. Your brain will be tested. You find it. Test your visual skill. Find the odd letter. Brand test, find the number 1990. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Brand teaser, find the odd number. The last one, can you find the odd letter? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.